Member of Parliament for Bantama constituency, Honorable Francis Asenso Boakye, has called on his fellow MPs to invest in the skills and profession of their constituents through the provision of needed equipment to enable them fend for their families and avoid being a burden to their communities. The newly elected MP, who doubles as the Minister for Works and Housing and the former Deputy Chief of Staff, says supporting inhabitants through trading gears will reduce redundancy in the country and help the economic growth of the West African country. The 43-year-old on Monday, March 15th, donated 49 hair dryers to the Ghana Progressive Hairdressers and Beauticians Association as part of his campaign promises. He told Soiree News in an interview that the gift to his people is a part of his duty as an MP. He addressed that being elected to lead is about service to people, thus coming out with policies to better their welfare and creating job opportunities for them to reduce social vices. Honorable Asenso Boakye advised beneficiaries to adapt maintenance culture and preserve the machines since it can be of great assistance to them in expanding their trade.
Yang ankran juma ene manipa economy no ekoso enti no yemi ogidie say yetimi so ankran juma ase a in a small communities obi juma be peja kakakra na omososo no etimi ahwe omabusu anything it can start with omo ye mpaboa na ekope machines bre omo ma se nipa 30 ye de machines ni bre omo omo start Amasho Majumasi, BBA Koso, one. And then so no, you be present hair dryers, Emma, Yenuano Moa, or more, a swear Juma or my poem. Na Yabota, say, so Mutsimi, Eddie Stati, crack, make man be pigger. Now almost so to me, I show Mabusia. It's really Butaya tired chair, the BSR presentation.
Okay, we didn't almost a can you to be at the moment, said about
Messer say, I dear mom who say, yeah, I bet you won't no more than you see. As I said, I didn't see you because of your future. I'm opening now with the dancing, or can say, or the one hair dryer and a statue. I must say, where you might be pre. Messer say, or when you see you no bomb pie, come on, Nagopona Bebois. I'm a major also no atre no ma fanipa bebre so aka na kwa we ne fa so e di mpuntu e ba o man we ye de ketua
and the person said dryer ba kunti akala bia bo asesa enka wonya ba ku bisi manchie bia enka odi be ye bibi me sha ase no me de dryer ba ku na sha ase onabo e te se de wa be ya ma ye men onya bi won sra wate onya o kese ni dia e chance why adie amana broso ebe na wochi mi enzani kura adie anaje woni me kasai me se wona bu broni abuyen wo se meba eya mre ampa wo wose ayo yo ka dia yan si ne kana ye no ye kasa ye kasa ye be kasa sa ntani fosi awisia oda ase no osere foforo ye nim se obaje abro sadi ye bisa wo no e kamin kabiano ye nim say ye fu ye ti ye ne frewa obaji ye so me fra ampia wa fra na dwo na wono so wa fra mi hu bi do me nim say ye nya ne sa o ba bia dan so wo ya wa ma ye kwan say ye ne won kasa e bia ye betu mi bia papa wo no afan fo nya ne sra no won fa ni fo abuja obu wa kire wo bant ban so wa ye bi
Clement in the show. We are Ghana Progressive. Ghana Progressive. And yeah. You did a mease. Na ye ni nasi benya dry. If so share your bo. Tamani ye graduation. Nenya me adu en saka. Ye ni say ye but ni say bia ye sanka. Ana ye saka ye na mease. Say ni dem ko nhira no. E wo de wa ya mai de na se.
So amatina monya no. E kwa be na professor ko
ebe boy kwan bebre so ye be ye adwuma e be si salon e ye adwuma so bi ba ye ho nkyere no or better dry come on, I won't show no. Near the bay.
See, I went a yano, any the Baba started life. It is in Kawa, my way, happening, Quebec, I got to it is what the come away, I went it as so. It is happening, yes, I will quit him for.
Why are the baby now, mammy? Or say, say, or may dryer by Yamiadum. We didn't wash it so. Or share bono crying, chair cry, not afraid, Yamay Cassette. I said that in Semi Janaha, I said that I made